second move. Luckily, we're not shooting sound. Luckily, it's a music video.
We're doing 20 minutes.
I miss the days of like good music videos with story in them, and obviously it's about the music, but I think, you know, there's enough going on in this that wasn't just sort of like sitting around kind of pouting.
I can't wait to finally explode the big, big thing.
I'm driving the car. I am T-boning Miss Miley Cyrus.
Ew, I hate the artist. Just kidding. He was the real boy.
The big, big bang. The big, big bang.
I just gotta make out and not shoot my boyfriend.